So you've decided to dip your toes into the exciting and sometimes bewildering world of cryptocurrency. That's fantastic. Taking the first step is always the hardest. You open up an exchange, eager to explore the possibilities, and click on Bitcoin or Ethereum, perhaps the most well-known cryptocurrencies. And suddenly, instead of clear insights, you're staring at a screen filled with jagged lines, a chaotic dance of price movements that seem to defy logic. You see flashing red and green bars, a constant back and forth that can be both mesmerizing and intimidating, and numbers changing every second, a relentless stream of data that seems impossible to decipher. It feels like trying to drink from a fire hose. It looks more like a spaceship control panel with blinking lights and cryptic symbols than a simple price graph. You might wonder if you accidentally stumbled into mission control. If you're thinking, what am I even looking at? What does any of this mean? You're definitely not alone. It's a common reaction. This initial confusion is universal, a rite of passage for every new crypto enthusiast, but it's just the first step on your journey. Crypto charts can seem overwhelmingly complex, a tangled web of information designed to confuse. But the truth is, their core components are actually quite simple and straightforward once you know what to look for and how to interpret them. Think of it like learning to read a weather map. At first glance, it's a mess of unfamiliar symbols and swirling lines, a seemingly impenetrable code, but with a little guidance and explanation, it starts to make sense, revealing a clear picture of the weather patterns. Every line and color on a crypto chart has a purpose, a specific meaning that contributes to the overall story. Telling the story of a digital asset's financial weather, its past performance, and potential future movements. Your goal isn't to become a seasoned expert or a master trader overnight, just to learn the basics of this new visual language and understand the fundamental principles. Why do people stare at these charts for hours? Because they tell a story. The main reason to track whether a cryptocurrency's price is going up or down. Charts help you spot trends or prices generally rising or falling over days, weeks, or months. They let you zoom out and see the big picture, not just the tiny distracting price swings. Charts also reveal market sentiment. Are people buying in excitement or selling in fear? Reading a chart is like being a detective piecing together clues about what the crowd is thinking. Ultimately, charts help you decide when to buy, sell, or hold. They're not crystal balls, but they're the best map you have in the wild world of crypto. Alright, let's dive in and demystify these crypto charts. They might seem intimidating at first glance, but once you understand the key components, they become incredibly valuable tools. We're going to break down the chart into its essentials, piece by piece, so you can confidently navigate the world of crypto trading. First, the axes. These are the foundation upon which all the data is displayed. Understanding what each axis represents is crucial for interpreting the information presented on the chart. The horizontal x-axis shows time, the progression of time marked out in regular intervals. This allows you to see how the price of an asset has changed over a specific duration. Minutes, hours, days, or months. You can often adjust the time frame to zoom in for short-term trading or zoom out for long-term investment analysis. The vertical y-axis shows price. This is typically displayed in your chosen currency like USD or EUR, and it indicates the value of the asset at any given point in time. Together, they let you see exactly what price an asset had at any moment. By cross-referencing the X and Y axes, you can pinpoint the price at a specific time, giving you a historical perspective on the asset's performance. Next, those red and green bars, the colorful building blocks of the chart. Candlesticks. Each one shows how the price moved during a set period. They provide a visual representation of the opening, closing, highest, and lowest prices within that time frame. Green means the price closed higher than it opened, indicating buying pressure and a potential upward trend. Red means it closed lower. This suggests selling pressure and a potential downward trend. Candlesticks are the heartbeat of the chart, showing the battle between buyers and sellers. Each candlestick tells a story about the market sentiment during that period. At the bottom, you'll see vertical bars for volume, how much was traded during that period. It's a measure of the intensity of trading activity. High volume means lots of action, indicating strong interest and participation in the market. Low volume means a quiet market. This suggests a lack of strong conviction or interest from traders. Volume confirms the strength of a price move. A surge on high volume is more meaningful than one on low volume. It adds weight to the price movement and suggests it's more likely to be sustained. Master these basics, and the chart starts to make sense. You'll be well on your way to understanding market trends and making informed trading decisions. Let's zoom in on candlesticks. They pack a lot of info into a small space. The color tells you the direction: green for up, red for down. Each candle has a body, the thick part, and wicks, the thin lines above and below. The body shows where the price opened and closed. The wicks show the highest and lowest prices reached. A long green candle means buyers dominated. A long red one means sellers were in control. Long wicks show price battles. Maybe buyers pushed up but sellers pushed back. By reading the bodies and wicks, you get a sense of the market's mood. Patterns of candles together can reveal shifts in momentum. Learning to read these is like learning to read facial expressions. Subtle, but powerful. Every beginner makes mistakes. It's part of the learning curve. The world of trading can be complex and unforgiving, especially when you're just starting out. But don't worry, here's how to avoid the big ones. We'll walk you through some common pitfalls and provide strategies to navigate them successfully. First, and this is crucial, don't overreact to every price move. The market is constantly fluctuating and small dips or spikes are normal. FOMO, the fear of missing out, and panic selling are common traps that can lead to impulsive decisions and significant losses. Ignore the urge to buy just because you see a big green candle, indicating a sudden price surge. Similarly, avoid the temptation to sell all your assets on a sudden red one, which signals a sharp price drop. Don't see patterns everywhere. Sometimes market movements are just random noise. Confirmation bias can trick you into selectively noticing information that confirms your existing beliefs, leading you into seeing what you want to see, not what's actually real in the market data. Real, reliable patterns form over longer periods and are confirmed by significant volume, indicating strong market participation. Don't get stuck focusing solely on tiny timeframes. These can be misleading and create unnecessary anxiety. Always zoom out to see the bigger trend and gain a broader perspective on market movements. Avoid relying solely on a single indicator. No single tool can provide a complete picture of the market. Remember, no tool is perfect, and every indicator has its limitations. Instead, look for multiple signals pointing in the same direction to increase the probability of a successful trade. Gather as much information as possible before making a move. Making trading decisions based on just one piece of information is inherently risky. It's like navigating without a map. Always seek confirmation from multiple sources and indicators to validate your trading ideas. Stay patient and skeptical, question everything, and don't rush into trades without proper analysis. By following these guidelines, you'll avoid most rookie mistakes and significantly improve your trading performance. Ready to start? Begin small and focus on learning, not profits. Spend time just watching charts pick a major coin and observe how it moves. Notice trends, highs and lows, and how volume matches price changes. Use demo or paper trading accounts to practice without risking real money. Treat it like a flight simulator. Test strategies, make mistakes, and learn safely. Be careful where you get your info. Ignore anyone promising guaranteed profits. Stick to reputable sources and double-check what you hear. The crypto world is always changing, so keep learning. Don't get discouraged if you don't understand everything right away. Celebrate small wins and learn from every mistake. With patience and practice, you'll turn those intimidating charts into a powerful tool.